Good morning, girls. Well, right off the bat, I've remembered something I was going to bring in here, but I'll show you tomorrow. I took the filter off this camera. I like to never found it. But so far, so good. And I went to the doctor yesterday. And I took all the records from the emergency room. Well, my doctor doesn't agree with the doctor at the emergency room with their tests that they run. Blood test. So I have to go back May 5th. They're really worried about me if they want me to come back May 5th. I'm here now, take my blood. But they didn't. So I decided, screw them. All that I went through, as bad as I felt, and the only prescription I got was for a baby aspirin. So I'm going to heal myself. So I got out my laptop and I researched hypothyroidism. Yes, I have every one of the symptoms. Let me get these girls out of here. Come here, girls, go away. Anyway, I'm watching it. Anyway, so, okay, I agree that I have hypothyroidism. My hair's thinning out. My eyebrows are gone. I'm gaining weight. I've gained 20 pounds in the past 2 months. So, and I'm weak and I'm sleepy all the time. So, I said, well, okay, this is what I've got. So, I got on my Good RX, my pharmacy that I have in India that I get my Retin-A from. So I went over to their site and I ordered me some thyroid medicine for hypothyroidism. And so it'll be here today. And I've been exercising my legs and my feet and doing whatever I can because, I'm not going to get a walker. Because nobody believes there's anything wrong with me. And there is. And anyway, so that's where I am. And then I have some sad news. Well, that's pretty sad news. I have a mystery disease. Nobody knows what it is. But, okay. Then they took the stitches out of my finger here. But he talked to the pathologist that examined that thing that came out of there. And it was cancer. So they want to test it in another month because the pathologist thinks there might be possibly a little bit more in there. So we're going to take another look at that. Anyway, then, I don't have any of my ring lights on. Anyway, I went in my husband's room last night. And I looked out the side window into the neighbor's backyard over here. And there was the little white dog. So, I can't steal it. It's right next door. So, he was sniffing the ground, looking for food, still skinny as he could be, but taller. He's grown a little bit. So, I might have to throw food over the fence or turn them in. I think I'm going to turn them in because that dog is starving to death. Anyway, I already had my makeup on because I'm going to get my hair conditioned and get a blowout. So I'm just going to tell you what I've got on my face. I have on, well, let's start from what I put on first. Oh, there's my eyeliner. I was looking for it. It was right where it was supposed to be. Okay, I put all my skincare on. Then I put the Believe Beauty primer on. This is a pretty good primer. But I wouldn't be surprised if the next time I go to Dollar General, it's not there, because when I went the last time, they had a big sign over the Believe Beauty clearance sale. They got some stuff that I really loved. Their eyebrow pencil. It just ran out too fast. But anyway, then I put on True Skin Warm Beige from Catrice. And then e.l.f. Camo Concealer. That's not what that says. I'm sure it's not. It's Camo Concealer, but it's something else. e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. Satin Finish. In Fair Beige. Okay. Then I put on this Morphe 9Z Just Say Zen palette. I used this color right here on my transition. I used this in my crease. And I used this green. No, I didn't. I decided I didn't like the green. I used the Ace Beauty Glow palette. And I put this on my inner lid. Okay. Then, make sure I'm not missing anything. I put on my, from LA Colors, this little matte palette. I put this black on as an eyeliner. And then I contoured. And I used this Complex Culture contour. And I used this color. What color is that? Play. I used that for my contour and my cheekbones and on my forehead. And then I put on the highlighter from the Glow palette, the pink one. No, the gold one. The gold one. And then I put on my Wet n Wild Pinch Me Pink blush. Then I eyelined my eyes. I did this first. I lined my eyes with this CoverGirl black eyeliner with the little rubber tip on it. You use that little rubber tip to blend it in. So in case you're looking for that, that's how you can tell it's it. It's got that tip. Okay, then I put on, no I didn't. I opened my backups of the Maybelline. So I used the Maybelline primer. And then I used this New color, I guess. It's the only thing different I can see. Lash Sensational Sky High in what color? Cosmic Black. I used that. Then I used my little cheap Temu. No, this one was from Dollar Tree. Brow pencil. And then, I don't think I used this. Pretty sure I didn't. Better stop that. Okay, then I used some powder. And then I used my stipple brush and blended everything in. And then I used this, I don't think that's it. Yep, that's it. Can you believe that? This is Believe Beauty, and I've almost used it up. And it doesn't stay on very well. But anyway, let's see what color it is. I hear that L'Oreal has a new lipstick out that looks really good, and it's a stain. Satin Crush lipstick in Vintage Romance. I sure do have a lot of romantic lipsticks. Okay, then I sprayed myself with this e.l.f. Makeup Mist and Set. And then I patted it with my sponge. So, is that it? That's it, girls. Now imagine that, no ring lights. I don't even think there's flickering going on. Let's move this mirror. Well, a tiny little bit, but I think it's because, I moved too fast. So maybe I won't be using these two ring lights again. No, I saw a flicker that time. I forgot to put the mute on the phone. Anyway, so that's what I used today, girls. And I'm off to the beauty shop. I'm going to get all this taken care of. All of it. As soon as I put all this stuff where I want it, almost there. I can't put that in there because it doesn't have a lid. Okay. Let's put it all right there. I'm trying to be so organized. Because of turning that filter off, I was able to put my makeup where it originally was. And I've been trying, inching along, trying to get it back, but I got it back today. Now, wouldn't that be something if the whole problem was that filter and that ring lights? I don't know. Anyway, where's my trusty little pen to turn this off? All right. Love you, girls. Pray for the little puppy. I'm going out there to feed it today. I might ask him if I can have the damn thing if they're not going to take care of it. Because that's obvious they're not taking care of it. He was actually sniffing the ground looking for food. I went in and got him a couple of Winnies. That's not good enough for me. I need that dog over here so I can take care of it and love it. Anyway, girls, sorry about the hairdo, but there was I was going to put it up in a bun, and I thought they're just going to take that bun out. So I'm just going to leave it like this. When they blow it out, it'll be poofy. So anyway, love you, girls. See you tomorrow. Maybe this afternoon if I like my hair. You know how us women are. We don't like our hair. It gets a little risque in the language. For me, anyway. Anyway, love ya. Hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell, and you'll be notified of future videos. And leave a comment. I love reading your comments. All right. Bye. Bye again.